pale chanting goshawk is what he's called. Look at his shape. How's he different? He's got this incredible long leg. And these long legs make it agile for it means he can move on the ground. Interesting thing is, in the wild they actually hunt behind honey badgers, and they rely on a badger to actually go out and do all the good stuff. So the badger's out there and he's looking for his own grub, and he's turning over rocks and pulling off bits of bark and stuff, and then this little guy dashes in at the last moment and grabs the juicy morsel. So I don't think you can really refer to it as a symbiotic relation. Most folk say that the boys are prettier than the girls, and in many different species of birds it is, but in the raptors it's different, I'm happy to tell you. In the bird of prey world, the girls are actually bigger.